So I changed my mind, and after looking at these reflector holders, I'm going to sand them down and paint them. I got black plastic paint. Same way with the, if you remember, I told you about the trim for the headlight. It was broken, so I used some JB Weld, filled it in, and filled in the crack. These were like $225 for two of these, and I said, nah, I'm not spending that kind of money on that. So just sanding a little bit here to get it flattened out, get it smooth, looking pretty decent. I got some 1000 grit sandpaper here. I didn't want to go too heavy. I want it to be smooth. Too coarse, I mean. This stuff sands pretty quick. And I don't want to over sand it, make it look terrible. I mean, it's not going to be perfect, but it'll be close. At least it's not cracked anymore. Nice and smooth now. Now I got some 600 here, wet dry. I really don't have to sand this part because it gets covered. Just got to sand the edges so I can paint it. These are hard to find too. I don't think you can find these anywhere. They had the lenses, but I didn't see the base in this size. I mean, I'm sure somebody has them. I don't know. I don't know if it's a stock item or crown item. I don't know what it is. So I got that sanded. Now I got to get that other. I got to get the trim off the front of the Jeep. The other trim over here. So since I'm painting them, I want them to match. I think that would make a lot of sense, don't you think? Some light on the subject. Oh boy. My big feet. Just what I was looking for, Phillips head. There it is here. Can you see that? Yeah, I guess you can see it. I gotta sand this one down. Just a light sand so the paint will stick to it. Don't have to be crazy. I got this little table I can spin around as I paint. I probably should wipe them off. And I should probably move this out of the way because it's white and I don't want black on it. Let's put this over here. Got to get a rag and some solvent to clean it off with. Where's my paint prep? No paint prep? Looking for the paint prep, I couldn't find it. Windex. Where's my Windex? Everything's missing. That's weird. What can I use? Maybe some of this carburetor cleaner. That works. When in doubt, use carburetor cleaner. It evaporates quick, but it cleans. Like I said, I really don't have to do this part, the reflector part. Already evaporated. All right, that's that. So let's see what this paint will do. This has primer in it and paint and primer. I don't know. We'll see what happens. It's only a reflector, so it don't have to be anything fancy. Okay. pretty good. That looks good. Turn it upside down. Bring out the head. Wow, what a difference. That looks good. I missed the spot. I guess this dries pretty quick. I don't know. We'll find out. I just hope it holds to the plastic. It should. I've had pretty good success with this paint. Okay, well that's what's going on, and next thing I got to do is mark the timing on the timing notch on the flywheel, because there's none on there and I can't time it unless I do that. So I got to get top dead center on the motor, and then I have my assistant Keegan hit the start switch for me, since I don't have a remote start that works. So we'll get back to the tailgate and install tailgate reflector install later. Okay, catch you all later and come back, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.